Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a section in Squarespace. First things first, we have to log in into our Squarespace account and also pick the website that you want to create all of those changes on. Let's say I want to do it on this one, and so I want to click on Go to Website. It will automatically take me into the editor, where, as you can see all the pages that you already have. But what we want to do, we want to click on Edit, which is above your header on the website. Once we click on Edit, as you can see straight away, we have these blue markings of Add a Section. What we have to do is actually scroll exactly where you want to add the page. Let's say we want to add it between last two sections. And let's click Add Section. I don't have anything saved yet, but let's go and maybe we can get there and some kind of video. But I want to make it in different video about it. So let's go with About, and let's go with frequently asked questions. Those are helpers, and as you can see, we can customize it. We can edit it, and like this, we can edit the frequently asked questions. If you are happy with what you have, you just hit Done, Save Changes, and you are good to go. As you can see, we have frequently asked questions as second to last option in our website. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.